For 4 decades, the foundation of the world's most ambitious projects has been laid under a single name: MEKA Concrete Batching Plants. With our engineering expertise rooted in deep experience, we don't just build plants, we build trust. Today, as one of the industry's most recognized and trusted concrete plant manufacturers, the MEKA Global name is on site in over 100 countries. With over 500 employees and more than 85 engineers, MEKA's legacy is etched into concrete across the globe. Over 4,500 plants successfully installed worldwide, each one a testament to performance, durability, and our expertise. Whether you're a ready-mix concrete producer looking to expand capacity or a contractor seeking maximum precision on site, MEKA Global offers a solution tailored to your needs. Our comprehensive product range is designed for the most demanding projects: high-capacity fixed plants, mobile plants offering quick setup, compact plants maximizing space efficiency. The right solution for every project. At the heart of our systems are our high-performance concrete mixers. With advanced design and precision engineering, they ensure consistent and high-quality production every time. And the brain of the entire system, MEKA Plant Automation. With its user-friendly interface, high-precision dosing system, and advanced data tracking, it delivers maximum control in production, minimal errors, and top-tier efficiency. Because we know there's no downtime in this industry. Every stoppage is a cost. Every delay is a risk. That's why MEKA is by your side not only through production, but also with our robust after-sales services. With our global service network, our ability to quickly supply spare parts thanks to our extensive inventory, and our expert technical teams, we ensure the uninterrupted operation of your business. Our 5 factories transform our engineering into perfection through robotic precision and advanced production technologies, leaving our mark on the concrete plant. Proven quality on a global scale, and a reliable solution partner for future projects. MEKA Global.